Facebook and tag me in it.
Alrighty.
I thought you were turning the wrong way for a second.
Oh.
You got to drill a hole through that crank and that handle. Stick a pin right through it. That way it won't be moving.
Okay. Now this I want to, let me take this off here.
Fix that pin.
I want to put a little oil in there. Jimmy, the oil can. In fact, I'll tell you what you can do. Can you rotate the crank to bring it down? Bring it down to 6 o'clock. Right there. Well, see if she'll move. Actually, let's check our fire real quick.
We could use a couple logs.
One on the left. That's good. Hey man, make a roll. Clutch in? Just pick clutch out. Just turn her a little bit. All the romance of steam.
I think this is a dream. I think I'm dreaming.
You've been looking for this for a long time, haven't you? Now, Siege, I want to get some of that mud off those drivers. Why don't you back it up here and let me get some of that mud off those drivers?